Have you ever pondered over the breathtaking capabilities of fighter jets? Wondered what it takes to command such a beast with finesse? Today, we dive into the realm of mastering fighter jet skills. The road to becoming a proficient fighter jet pilot is a grueling one, teeming with numerous challenges and demanding a level of commitment that's truly exceptional. It all begins with a foundational understanding of aviation. Step 1. Basic flight training. This is where the journey begins. Aspiring pilots learn the fundamentals of flight, the physics of aviation, and the intricate workings of an aircraft. It's a blend of classroom learning and hands-on experience, and it's where the seed of a fighter pilot is planted. Step 2. Advanced flight training. The stakes are higher here, and so is the complexity. This is where pilots learn to handle powerful aircraft and challenging conditions. They are taught advanced navigation, aerobatics, and emergency procedures. It's a rigorous stage, designed to push pilots to their limits. Step 3. Tactical training. Now, we're getting into the heart of fighter jet mastery. This stage involves learning about air combat, weaponry, and tactics. It's about learning to think, react, and strategize at supersonic speeds while thousands of feet above the ground. Step 4. Simulation training. Before getting into the cockpit of a fighter jet, pilots undergo countless hours in flight simulators. These high-tech machines mimic the conditions of a real flight, allowing pilots to refine their skills and prepare for the unexpected. The final step, fighter jet training. This is it. The culmination of years of hard work where pilots finally get behind the controls of a fighter jet. They learn to master the jet's advanced systems, engage in high-speed maneuvers, and practice precision strikes. It's a test of everything they've learned, and a step into a world reserved for the elite. So, to summarize, mastering fighter jet skills is a complex, multi-step process. It begins with basic flight training, progresses through advanced flight training and tactical training, and culminates with simulation training and finally, fighter jet training. It's a journey of perseverance, skill, and courage. But remember, mastery doesn't end with training. A fighter jet pilot is always learning, always improving. It's not just about handling an aircraft. It's about strategizing, outsmarting, and outmaneuvering. It's about precision, speed, and power. And most importantly, it's about having the heart of a warrior. So the next time you see a fighter jet streak across the sky, remember the journey behind that flight. Remember the countless hours of training, the relentless pursuit of mastery, and the unwavering courage of the pilot. Because mastering fighter jet skills isn't just about flying, it's about soaring beyond limits.